you got a hat on? Cause you're bald, nigga. Why you got a hat? Cause that's a bald head. Hey, baldy, that's a bald head. Hey, baldy. Bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga. Why you ain't got no hair up there? Boy, you looking like a bowling ball. Boy, you looking like a basketball. Boy, you looking like a soccer ball. Boy, you looking like a golf ball. Boy, you looking like a tennis ball. Nigga, haircut tennisism. Haircut falling off the bone. Boy, you looking like a milk dud. Nigga thought he was Michael Jordan. Boy, you looking like Blank Man. Boy, you looking like Lil Bill. Boy, you looking like Wayne Head. Bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga, bald nigga. Boy, you looking like Mr. Clean. When your hair girl, you look like Mr. T. When your hair girl, look like Homer Simpson. Boy, your hair long like a dill pickle. Boy, your hair shaped like an AirPod. Boy, your hair long like a curtain rod. Bald nigga.